If you want to connect printer to your Redmi A7 Pro, first we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, you want to choose more connectivity options, and then over here you wanna go to the printing option. Now in here we have a couple of things that we can do. First, we're gonna go to the system printing service. Unless you have Xiaomi printer, then in that case you probably want to choose Xiaomi Home instead. And in this case, you want to enable print service, and then you should be able to search for your printer, whether it is actually a Xiaomi printer, or if you use any other printer, then of course you want to go to more printing service, and you can try to find it in here. If you manage to find your printer on this list, then of course you can just select it, and it's going to most likely work straight away. In some cases, you need to go to Add Service option over here to open the Play Store with additional print services or plugins. So you need to download the specific print service for your printer, depending on the manufacturer of your printer, of course. And in some other cases, you need to get a very specific app that is made for that printer, for your printer, of course. Unfortunately, I cannot really tell you what the type of app, what app specifically you need to get for your printer, simply because there are many different printers and many different apps for these printers. So what you want to do is you want to check the user manual of your printer if you still have it around. And you want to search for the information about connecting the printer to an Android smartphone, and usually over there you can find not only instructions, but of course also the name of the app that you want to download, which usually you can get from the Play Store completely for free. And then you should be able to connect the printer within that app or inside that app. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.